Welcome to Unboxing Monday. It does say fragile, just like my personality today. So let's get started. This is gonna be a fun one. Back from the holidays. I think these go together. Oh, these are gonna be fun. All right, these are gonna be the best Valentine's gifts for all my gays. All right. I want to open this one too. I want to make sure that they all go together. I'm just concealing. I don't want to get the reveal. Oh my god, how much tape in the box do I need? Well, I'm going to tell you right now, these smell amazing. Okay, I'm keeping these away from the camera because I want to reveal all together. These are very cool. These are unique candles. Now, okay, I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna show you these in just 1 minute. But these are all Boys Town candles. We've got one for San Francisco, and this was established 1776. Another one, 1997, Boys Town, Illinois. And then West Hollywood, 1984. And these are all candles. I'm gonna open this one. How cool is that? First of all, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful packaging. The packaging is pretty rad. These are awesome. This one is smoke and ash fragrance. That one smells really great. I just chucked that out of the way like it was nobody's business. This is wood and musk. And this one is, I can't even pronounce this. Foray, whatever. I can't. I'll work on it. I'll Google it. All right, so we have those. These are so awesome. I'm gonna just set these. Is this a good place? Fabulous. All right, now these are, again, a little more camp because we got a daddy big flame candle. Big flame daddy, right? And something I wish I could be butch, more butch. And then of course, all of my friends are what? They're allies. Oh my god, these are so great. And then we have a pride candle, we have an out and proud, we have a mask, and my favorite, not gonna lie, queen. These are so great. These are awesome gifts. I cannot wait to give some of these away for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna just slide these to the side. And let's open up my favorite, which is queen. Oh my god, it smells great. And I love this packaging is pretty rad. Queen. Queen. Two queens. Queen squared. Oh my god, these are great. All right, check the link in the bio. We're gonna tag them. These guys are great. This is, oh, you guys, I missed this. This is queen. This is flaming. This says sex on the beach. Oh wait, I need to revisit all of these. Oh yeah, smoky old fashioned. That's a good one. Peach mimosa. These are all the fragrances. I love that. This is a Shirley Temple. Of course it is. And then we have a cucumber mojito. I think I had one of those at Merrick's one time. Vanilla daiquiri. Might be a little too sweet for me. And then we have a fig martini. All of those are pretty rad. FlamingCandles.com. These are awesome. Let me just check these out too. These are BoytownCandles.com.